How to hide your Instagram profile from phone contacts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide your Instagram profile from phone contacts. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner and then proceed to the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then select Account Center. Scroll down. Under Account Settings, select Your Information and Permissions. Tap Upload Contacts at bottom of the screen and make sure to toggle the button off and disconnect the contacts. Your profile will now be hidden from phone contacts, and that's it. If this guide helped, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.